We want to ensure that tomorrow a Kikuyu can go and work anywhere in the country and will be recognized as a Kenyan. A Luo can come and live here in Kiambu, anywhere else, work, marry, and be a Kenyan. The same thing with the Kalenjin, a Luo here, a Mjikenda, unity in diversity. Then we want also to ensure that when we go for elections, elections end on the day of the polling, and we begin to do our work again thereafter. Thirdly, we want to deal with this cancer of corruption, not just in words, that you're walking around with sacks of money in terms of Harambes and investing in heaven, here on earth. We want you to invest here on earth for development, not for heaven. The Kabando was there. And even Moses Kuria was also there. Came to Bondo. And we really talked. And I tried to instill a lot of knowledge and discipline on Moses Kuria. Unfortunately, he's still a student. He's still learning.